Hi guys! For this video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is another method of interpolating values. So, ang tawag natin dito is spline interpolation. So, for this video, i-introduce ko lang naman to while the remaining 3 videos kasunod nito, dun talaga tayo magpe-perform ng actual numerical computation. So, sige, simulan na natin tong discussion. Another method of interpolation is called spline interpolation. Unlike the polynomial interpolation, where there is only one polynomial connecting the given points, in spline interpolation, the function to be used in interpolation is in piecewise. So, yung importanteng term dito ngayon, class, is yung word na piecewise. So, it means na there is a separate polynomial function for every two consecutive given points. The type of spline interpolation depends on the degree of polynomial connecting two consecutive points, but the most common are the linear, which is the first degree spline, the quadratic, the second degree spline, and cubic or the third degree spline. So, ito yung graphical illustration natin. So, kung may polynomial interpolation tayo and yung nasa baba ay mga spline interpolation, kung titingnan nyo, parang it doesn't make sense, no? Pero i-discuss ko lang dito kung bakit may iba-ibang kulay yan. Dito sa polynomial, isang kulay lang siya kasi isang polynomial lang yung nag-represent dito sa apat na points natin. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng polynomial interpolation. Isang polynomial lang to. So, usually, since apat yan, third degree to. Okay? So, yung spline interpolation, ganito yung ibig sabihin yan. Kung linear spline, ang kada point ay may kanya-kanyang f of x sub 1, tapos ito, f of x sub 2, and ito, f of x sub 3. So, ito yung meaning ng piecewise. Kada interval, may sarili siyang function. Yung function is nakadepende na lang kung anong type of spline ang gagamitin. Itong una is the linear spline kasi nga, straight line lang yung pinang-connect. Dito sa another figure, the quadratic spline, ito another f of x sub 1, then dito another f of x sub 2, and dito another f of x sub 3. So, kumbaga, every two consecutive points, yung interval sa pagitan nila, they are represented by one quadratic equation. Tapos, pag natapos na sa point na yun, another quadratic, and after nun, another quadratic. And ganun din sa cubic spline, syempre, another f of x sub 1, and ito, f of x sub 2. These functions are different, no? Iba-iba talaga yan. And f of x sub 3. So, yun. Yun yung pinagkaiba ni polynomial sa ni spline. Okay? Again, ang polynomial, isang function lang ang nag-i-interpret sa kanilang lahat, while in spline, for every interval, for every two consecutive points, merong kanya-kanyang function na nag-i-interpret sa kanila. So, ang advantage nito, most scientists and engineers see this method as very accurate, especially the cubic spline. Kaya halos lahat yata ng interpolation ang ginagamit cubic spline. Ang disadvantage, maraming unknowns ang isosolve mo dito. In fact, talagang babalik ka sa linear system. For instance, sa cubic spline, bigyan kita ng hint, kailangan mo dyan mag-solve ng linear system of 12. Itong quadratic, kailangan mong mag-solve dito ng linear system of 9. So, malalaman nyo kung bakit 12 or bakit 9 equations yon. Kaya, yun yung kahirapan ng spline interpolation. Pero, since powerful naman yung computers natin ngayon, guys, kumbaga, hindi na to masyadong problema yung number of equations na kailangang isolve. So, yun lang. I think na-introduce ko ng maayos yung definition ng spline interpolation. Again, ang main difference si polynomial, isang polynomial lang ang nagko-connect sa kanilang apat. Well, sa spline, every two consecutive points, ibang-ibang polynomial. So, yung cubic nga, again, sabi ko bakit cubic ang pinaka-accurate kasi Sa unang tingin, lalo na kung iba't ibang kulay yan, akala mo isang polynomial lang siyang tingnan. Halos kahawig niya si ano 'di ba? Halos kahawig niya si polynomial interpolation. Pero mas accurate daw talaga tong cubic. So sige, thank you so much for listening in this video, and I hope you are now prepared para sa computation proper for the first spline interpolation, which is the quadratic. By the way, yung linear, hindi na natin yun mapag-uusapan kasi from the figure itself, pwede mo naman nang i-judge na hindi accurate ang linear spline interpolation. Okay? So, bye-bye!